Yo, what is up, family? Let's get this cooking. Open up, homie. Open up. There we go. Get some natural sunlight in the cut. Market is about to open soon, so we'll talk about our plan here. We're actually sitting in between two very specific, two very key levels that we want to watch out. Today we had news drop at 8:30. Nothing else today. We have unemployment tomorrow, average earnings, employment claims Thursday, CPI, some earnings, all that good stuff later, but we're in the clear for right now. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we're starting to give ourselves a little bit of a bullish outlook in the market. So recently, before yesterday, we've been putting in new highs, putting in lower lows, putting in deep lows, putting in a new higher high right after. The structure of the 4-hour has been kind of ill. So what I have done is kind of stayed away. I've been very patient. I've taken 2 trades so far this month at all, or total. Today's the 10th. But now we have a more bullish outlook of the market, right? Now we want to hopefully find these longs, especially above pre-market highs. And you can tell the market open, we're popping. So what I'm doing is looking for a close above the 7,000s for a pop up into the 720s, 7020s. A retest here at this pre-market demand we put in here at these lows for a move back up into the pre-market highs and the break even at VWAP. And then short side, I have one short just because the room is great, right? I'm looking for a short setup underneath pre-market lows because we have so much room to run from the 70s to the 36s that I will have to be aggressive if that does happen. So anything underneath these 70s, a break retest because a 5-minute will already be bearish. I'll look for this bitch all the way down into the 36s, and that's going to be a beautiful play. Beautiful play. I like the levels, I like the structure, a good plan for the day. I'm hyped, happy, ready to get at it. Beautiful place, beautiful life. So let's start cooking, guys. Let's start cooking. Hopefully we get a trade today, but if not, I'm not going to chase anything, man. I'm totally okay with nothing happening, giving me nothing. That's just how life works. That's how trading works. I'm in Mexico right now. It's fucking beautiful. Having a great time, but I can't wait to be back home. I love to work, man. I love to grind. I'm giving myself this reset I needed because I've been going ham. I've been going hard recently. January was a fucking great trading month for me. We made about 130K, 131K. That's with February combined. So in total, I'm up 131K so far. Like 6% of my account. It's only February, only fucking February. So I cannot be more proud of myself. I'm starting to slowly size up. That made no sense. But the market is opened, and now we are going to sit here and wait for the market to give me something good. Give me something good. You know what I'm saying? But how y'all doing, man? Let me know in the comments below on YouTube. I read every comment on YouTube. Sometimes I fucking forget to answer them because it doesn't send. But I read all of them. Every single comment get read by me. I actually get notified right away. So whenever you comment, it comes in my phone right away and I see it. So let me know how y'all been doing, man. How the market's been treating you. I know I have a lot of y'all asking me for mentorship at the moment. It is currently closed, man. Waitlist below if you're interested. Go ahead and hop on that waitlist. You have first priority if you do so. But let's see what we can make happen here. We're rejecting supply at the moment. All right, I'm going to have bookmap on the screen as well. We got 2 of them open up here. No. Let's go ahead and get that bitch cooking right there. Right here. We'll get this bitch cooking right here. Right here. We'll get this bitch. I have my hotkey set up as well for my laptop that I didn't have yesterday. Where the fudge did that go? Here it is. Get the bitch cooking right here. Got the VIX open. We love the VIX, man. We absolutely love the VIX. Lucas is about to walk into my house right now. Bum. He's locked in. Does he know the password? He's got the password. What up? Got the goods. All right. Let's see if we can get cooking. We have NQ falling really hard right now. NQ is going off of a cliff. Oh, back to being even. VIX is trying to push. VIX is trying to push right now. Neutral on the open so far. We haven't seen any side really take control here. We have NQ testing VWAP right now, fallen. NVIDIA fallen. Not much left on anything else here. Hey Lucas, what we full port on the test account today? You gotta play? Lucas? You gotta play for the options account today? Or not? We're trying to grow a small options account. Started at $100. Currently at $1.8 thousand on Robinhood. Lucas came out with a banger play on Microsoft puts. We're growing a small account. I'm doing this challenge. Actually recording the whole thing, but I put a fat YouTube video on it. But it's on Robinhood, just so people that a lot of people fucking use Robinhood, especially beginners. Started with $100, right? Currently at $1,800 on that account. Today, I don't know why it's not a big movement today, but we grew it for a minute. We grew it for a fat minute. As you can tell, returns are crazy. I don't know why it only says, well, up 1.2K year to date. Should be up 1.6K. I think it's because I withdrew and deposited some more, but we're cooking. We're cooking on it. You turned that 100 into $1,800, by the way, in only 2 trades. Actually, no, 3 trades. 3 trades. 3 trades. One was like a SPY trade, was only $40. Majority came from the other 2 trades. We're making a whole video on that. Excited to see. Just to see it's possible, then I can talk my shit, right? If I have no experience doing something, I don't want to talk my shit. I'm not going to short right now. I only really want to short under these 70s. But looking at pretty strong here on this move down. So when we tap demand, we have to be watching out for VWAP here, right? Best case scenario, I wanted the market to pump up, close above these 7,000s. We have an offer there. It's a long time frame, but it's not massive at all. No. I think we picked a direction down here. So let's go back to these lows and see how we feel. And obviously ES has to break VWAP. And we are breaking the VWAP. Sellers in control. So this demand tap is going to be interesting because of where VWAP is located. You're checking out Amazon? What are you thinking? Yeah, I was looking at these 5 puts right now. Amazon short? Ooh, Amazon's tanking. I didn't do that well on this earnings day. Didn't do that well. All right, there's ES and supply. Okay, take from earnings, bro. I like Amazon. You know, me find the contract. Wait, waiting for what's the entry? Break 203. All right, send me the contract. I like that. So that's our next play for the small account right here. Waiting for Amazon to break 203. Getting some puts on it. We've just been full port in the account. It's been working out for us. Damn, a little tired here. Let's go for a long. Well, this makes it damn fucking possible to take this setup right here. So I'm gonna have to wait. But there's Rooster that's invisible during the day, but they're alive at night. And at like 5 a.m., 7 a.m., it starts fucking doing that little cartoon, like cock-a-doodle-doo shit. So fucking annoying. It sounds like it's literally outside my window. And I just want to shoot it. But during the day, I can't find it. If I see that rooster, it's on site, though. On fucking site. Some exhaustion coming up here at the bottom from the sellers. Buyers attempted to take control, but got stuffed pretty fast. Held VWAP on that close here. Major issue with this will be R and R, since we're above VWAP. We're going to look for the 7,000s as a target. Right. After that exhaustion, we had a buyer fill, had some bids above price. Let me pay attention right here. The fact that we closed back above VWAP and already had an offer being filled and held above the price. Right here, we had the fill. Some sellers getting exhausted at the bottom, and we held VWAP as well. I'm going to be a little more patient because we're not back below VWAP. NQ is way below VWAP. We have the VIX kind of giving it a little bit of a gap up on this last candle here. Let's see, sellers holding these. No, didn't hold the 81s. Back into demand. So you see here, buyer hold these 80s. Sellers and buyers agree to hold the 80s here. Let's close above VWAP on this tap. And NQ little low is testing and holding right now. I'm even okay with holding runners past the 7,000s here at the overall outlook of the market. Ooh, NQ is actually holding the new lows. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Not interested. Not interested in your love right now. Should hop in those buy puts. The fuck is that? Not into demand though. Not into demand though. We have a new low put in right here. Yeah, we're still falling. Seller's still in control. VIX popping and Q's dropping. That's some straight bars right there for me. Not a fan. Not a fan. Not a fan. 75 is a good level for us to reverse off right here. I do want to be aggressive on these longs. I do. Sellers died out a little bit as we tap the 75s. What we might have to do here is just multiple attempts, break even right at VWAP, takes that break even, try again. I want to be aggressive on these longs here. See, we look at the 80s, 80s aggressive above, buyer step back up, and they're above those. They did. So this is an entry trigger right here. Let's see. I could take this long. I'm going to do it right here. 79. Wait, hold on. My hockey's not working. Fuck. Hockey's not working. Okay, we're in long. 79.25. And what I'm going to do is go break even. Right up here. Same kind of low we put in this demand. So I'm using this in validation basically the last two candles. Also, the buyers we found here, here, and here. And that 75, this offer. We filled into the very bottom right here. Failed to go underneath it. So book mapping and validation, we have all this space right here as well. giving us a really good R&R. So like realistically, you can even move your stop loss. But what I'm gonna do is just go break even. Dude, my hotkeys are not working. What the fuck? As soon as you tap view up. I'm not gonna try hotkeys because it's just not working. I guess. I guess they're not working on my laptop, but whatever. I actually gave us a better fill there. Like a tick or two. So we're gonna try this. And again, I was looking to be aggressive here, really using bookmap here as invalidation. 73.5 is where I'm having my stop loss. For this specific setup, I'm gonna be underneath this iceberg here. And have a break even tap as soon as I hit VWAP. I like that wick NQ put on there. I don't know if y'all could see NQ right now, but give us a really nice wick there. Nice sweep of the lows and close back above the lows there. We're going break even. Good chance we get stopped out break even after it hits VWAP. We'll just re-enter. I like to protect myself like that. I like my stop. I'm actually gonna put a tick underneath. Like I'm gonna move it right here for you guys. Just move it right there. Okay. And then we're looking for the 69.75 actually. Nice 3.42 to 1. We'll see if we make some bank today. Need these buyers to come in, start being aggressive. It's 946, team. Let's go. Let's get aggressive. Let's get aggressive here. Let's get aggressive here. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Let's get aggressive here, man. Da, 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 da. All right, let's see if we're cooking. Wait. Wait. It's not going that it's supposed to be going, oop. It's supposed to be going oop. Like that, oop like that. Oop like that. A lot of opportunities to take this bitch longer here. Slow. It's giving y'all good risk as long as you break even view up. If you don't break even view up, you got yourself into a disadvantage. You can always re-enter. Break even, you lose nothing. You re-enter. Just give me that view up top. Make this free play for me, a risk-free play. Might consider holding runners past 7,000 here. 7,000 isn't bad. It's gonna be about like a 20 point TP. Pre-market highs is the first one. Oh, this is dead action, bro. Because we did have a nice move yesterday, but it's dead. Breaking news. Fed worst leadership will also be watching to make sure there's not a timing mismatch. Canada's PM Carney has spoke to Trump this morning. Blah, 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 blah. You have a decent stop loss. Iceberg is still iceberging. So I was holding. I don't like how it's putting a little bit of pressure here. We didn't actually tap the VWAP. It got super close. Oops, climbing down. Ooh, I don't like NQ anymore. Don't like the VIX anymore. Things are starting to turn around in the other direction for us. So just have ES tap VWAP. I mean, the closes we're getting are not bad. Need some action from the buyers here. Come on, tap VWAP. Tap VWAP, baby. I know my bias is right today. Come on. I know I'm right. I know I'm right. There we go. Break even because my fucking hotkeys don't work. All right, baby. Let's fucking ride. Let's ride. What are you doing? You want to see what's going on right now? We're actually in a long. Just went break even, smacked view up. So 4 hour, super bullish. Pre-market demand had nice here. I'll show you. Nice iceberg, right? Exhaustion from stars on this iceberg. Triggered an entry after we saw the buyers take control. And now we're popping. We're break even at view up. But look at all this fuel right here. Send us flying into these 7,000s. I might even hold runners passive. We might see. You might see. It might be a 30K day. 30K day. We're already well in the money, bro. We're up a couple bands right now.
Good shit.
In 20 minutes. I got paparazzi in my house, bro. This is going to hit, though. This is going to hit. This bitch hitting. I don't even have to deny it. Oh, yeah. If you guys are not following my Instagram, make sure you fucking follow that shit right now. It's down below in the description, bro. It's literally such good educational content. It's funny content. See my lifestyle a little bit more. I post my recaps on there. Got everything on there. Got everything. So go follow that shit. Link it down below. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Because it makes me keep going. Keep posting these videos out for you guys. But, we talked about the plan. The market hit the plan. Follow the plan. We're in the plan. We make the plan. We eat the plan. Plan B. There's no plan B, actually. It's only plan A. And it's making fucking money. That's the only plan in the world. Best drug in the world, other than Jesus Christ. Nah, man, right here. Who's in love with me? And when situations like this, I have to go break even at VWAP. Like it's close. If I can't get a close above VWAP, then go ham there. I have to get that break above VWAP, right? Tap and supply. So I'm in 30 contracts. So I'm in heavy size. So TP here, TP here, TP here, and then we're holding probably like 5 contracts as runners. That's just how confident I am in this bitch flying. 4 hour structures finally on our side. The VIX is dive bombing and Cube out of tap VWAP. And it's gonna be an amazing day. I already know. I already know. All right. Taking a pic for the story here. We're getting our revenge today. Getting our revenge today. Yesterday we had a break-even play. Fall through right here. Came back out break-even. Super close to TP. No profits yesterday. Straight break-even. Well, lost a couple $100 from fees, but other than that, all right, there is my first take profit filled. First take profit filled. VIX is looking lovely. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. No, it's supply right now. We should have taken some profits out in supply, but we got some fuel here. We fill 7,000. We fly. I'm gonna leave some runners down actually after we hit 7,000. 95 fill should get us to 7,000. Didn't get fill yet. There we go. There's my fill. Next TP out of the way. When you play measure size, bro, you can go TP for TP for TP. I knew this was gonna happen. I told you. This was gonna happen. Nobody just. Well, I told my mentorship people this is gonna happen. They probably fucking took the trade. If you didn't take this trade, what the fuck's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? And there is. We're gonna be scaled out of 25 contracts at these highs. We're gonna have 5 running. Love the VIX. Love that gap down. So we're gonna obvious shit. 7,000s. Fill 7,000s. We pop up. Put it in the sky. Da, 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 da. I'm happy, bro. Great day. Great fucking day. Great fucking day, man. Good fucking day. It's almost like we knew this was going to happen. I never know what's going to happen, to be honest. I just bet my money. Put my money where my mouth is, and it feels good. And it feels good. Good weakness here. Could see a potential leg down. Maybe a trail stop. And that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get that shit up there. Get it up there. Get that bitch up there. Come on. There's TP number 3. Fill 7,000 as we run now. Fill 7,000 as we run. I have a very small percentage left. Here's a pop. Pop. Here's a pop. Here's a pop. Let me see you pop it for me, baby. Pop it for me, baby. I'm gonna put it at 19.50. VIX is dropping. It keeps pumping. Yes, pumping. Look at that big offer at the 20s. That's a little magnet. That's a little magnet. There you go. Here's a pop. Here's a pop. I know a pop when I see a pop. It's probably a 40-point full TP if the market gods bless me today. We are about to make Shamuna. Shamuna today. Shamuna. We have, what should we, what's our open P&L? We locked in 20 bands today, no matter what. Didn't get the pop I wanted. Actually swept the 7,000 here, which was our main TP. We have 5 contracts running in the game right now. Nowhere to trail my stop to. I mean, right now, just basically underneath VWAP is a good spot to do so. Maybe this gives us a lower leg here. In that situation, we trail our stop. I'm not trying to be super greedy here, to be honest, but this is a day, the first day of the month, where I'm like, structure is clear. We see something, and I'm holding a few runners because of the VIX. Gap down, but it's actually sweeping right now, so a little bit mistakenly at the top of the range. So I'm not trying to guess a breakout here. I'm trying to align myself with it with some open risk in case it does happen, while protecting my downside. So it's just a free position, right? These 5 contracts potentially make me a total return of $10,000, or lose me nothing, right? Or I'm just up 20 grand for the day, another 10 grand if it hits full TP, and up 30 grand for the day. That means we're up 50 grand for the month, and we're up fucking 180 grand for the year so far. It's only fucking February. I need to buy. Should I just buy a new? No, I don't need a new car out there. Don't need a new car. Come on. I'm gonna buy a new car. I've been eyeing. See, I've never liked Lamborghinis, just because of the situation that they're not the best, the most comfortable, super reliable. Not the most comfortable car, but I like the Lamborghini Strato. Strato, I'm not sure I'm saying that correctly. It's kind of like an off-road Lamborghini. It's a little bit bigger. One of my friends has one of those when I went down to Aspen's last year, and man, it was sick. He got that bitch early. And it was like spacious. Might get one of those. It's a little off-roading. I love my truck. Those of y'all have been watching me for a minute. Hey, very nice. I'm gonna move a trail down to the low end of this candle here. Basically our first TP trail for the last 5. We got a 15 at the 7,000s, 10 at the high, not 10, 5 at the high, 5 at this first TP level in supply. Might get out the rest of the other 5 here if it does intendedly get us out. Give me something, you slow butt market. Slow but market. I see my friends and teammates took the same trade today. Took the same trade. Uh-oh, my laptop about to die. Hmm. Let's see, 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 let's see. Ba-da-da-da-da. Slow down a little bit. Tend to slow down a tad bit. Yo, so full TP got smacked, as I told you, $22,000 for the day, but I'm actually holding runners. I'm holding a very small position into these 20s. So full TP smacked 7,000s, as we called it out. And I'm holding some runners into 720s. So it'd be a $30,000 day if we get full TP.
Good stuff, man.
Now we just wait. Now we just wait. Now we just wait. There's a pop. There's 7,000 pop. I told you about 7,000s. We're going to get a pop here. How to get the recording in. There's the fuel. This is the fuel. Oh, it's going. It's going. Getting this live. Get this on tape. It's popping. It's going. Look at all this fuel we got right here. Fuel at 7,000. It's popping up. It's going. Let's see it happen. Let's see it happen. It's been teasing me a little bit. Getting slow. Getting slow. But we're looking fucking solid. Look at all this fuel, 7.5, 7.10s, and then look at this major magnet we have sitting at the 20s, our full TP right there. Our full TP. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. There you go. I'm gonna be moving this to the last TP. Oh, it's popping. It's going off. Fill 705s. Up. And up. Come on. I'm gonna trail this bitch tight. So we get a close above these 7,000s. I'm trailing my stop loss in the 7,000s. $705 to 710 here is gonna be fuel into the 720s. 720 is gonna be a magnet. It is gonna be hit today. Whether we want to see it or not, which we definitely want to see it, obviously. Watch, fill into 710s. Come on, didn't fill all of it. Come on. This was fucking beautiful. Keep running for me, man. Keep running for me. Didn't start. It feels most 75s, not all of it. I want my full TP, baby. I want my full TP. Come on. Run, run, run. Feel my heart, don't break me. There's the close. The most birdie-ish close. But I got a rule, so we'll move it to the first TP. The last TP we had, 9975s. Right there. Let's move it. Moved. I don't care if it trails me out now, to be honest. I'm content. Trail out will be our final TP anyway, so we're just playing super safe here at the last 5 contracts. Just trailing it out. Like upside, we get that 5 contracts or 20 TP with 20 points, 20 contract, 20 points. The other 10 at the supply and the high. Best case scenario is this just rides up and we get an extra couple bands here. Which I'm totally content with. This will be a 6.71 R&R, the final contracts. Not total R multiple, obviously, but I honestly should be content with just 710 for that big offer is. My greedy ass wants more. Come on, baby. Keep Elder alive. Keep Elder alive here, man. So what, 10, 12? Come on, baby. Keep Elder alive here, baby. Right under the 7 bands, we're out. Oh, no. Okay. I think the dream is killed. The dream is crushed. I have such strong faith in this going up into those 20s as well, but I'm just going to play how I played. Yeah, out of the runners there. Out of the runners there. So fully out, guys, at the 997s. Fully out, fully out. So this is basically a break retest setup that you'll come in and see a lot of times, which is what we would look for if we didn't take this long, right? A break retest at this level. And this retest probably be pretty deep since we haven't had any pullback really since this move up from demand. So I'll sit out of this, I'll sit away, and I'll just let this play its course without me. Very, very happy with today. We made some major P's, but no need to drop the recap here. Already know what the trade was. We talked about it live. Talked about the whole concept with you, and look how good that trail was. All right, look how good that trail was. Let them know. Let them know. Let them know. Let them know what the move is here. But anyways, damn, look how good that trail was. That's what we do, what we do. So we do what we do. So we do what we do. But I want to also recap the one from yesterday, which was basically very similar, right? We had a break retest. You can pull it up on Bookmap here for you guys to look at this recap of the trade if you are still watching, but we'll load some more data here so we could see yesterday's data. It was basically, so this candle right here had an aggressive close, decent buying pressure, decent absorption from sellers above our supply level. Came back in, we retested it multiple times, right? So I hopped in after we saw exhaustion from sellers at these lows, which was my stop loss, right? Originally, we went break even after it started pumping up. Took our entry after we saw buyers fill an offer. So basically, after a buyer, same thing as today, right? After we saw a buyer fill an offer and get held above price, kind of like it filled an offer right here, and then it held above price. Let me just go ahead and move this. Perfect. So we see an offer like this fill and a bit above price, which is why I got in here a little late. Stop loss under here, targeting the 7,000 psychological level. Also, this is the top of the supply level. We had got a couple points away from it, but as we started to put in these new lower highs here, right? So we put in a new higher low here, put in a new lower low, and then right here, right here is when I put my stop loss to break even after that new lower low. And we basically just got out break even after being up a bunch of points, but it's the way she goes. Made it all back today, guys, and then some more. Kind of holding view up here in the ES as we're retesting, but nice entry here. Really good entry, really good risk from 79s to 73s. Like I dropped 30 contracts on this bitch because the risk was so good, all the way into the 7,000 there. So the R&R was perfect, beautiful, 3.42 to 1. Break even right at VWAP. So not much else to say about that, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like for me down below. Put some comments down. Again, I look at every single comment that you guys send me. I'll check you guys out in the next one. Peace out.